How is everyone doing? Okay, guess what? Mrs. O is going to do a cooking video today. Yes, I'm getting in that kitchen and we're going to do a quick video. Something simple, something easy, something not very expensive. We're going to do Nutella croissants. Yes, with that Nutella just, ooh, when you heat it up and it's just falling out. And then the crescent rolls that, are nice and flaky and buttery. Oh yeah, I think I can eat that, you guys. I hope I can. So I'm coming back. I want to do new videos, really nice, cost-effective videos. But I have my taste buds, but there's still certain things I cannot do. I cannot eat, that I still cannot eat yet. But, my system is slowly coming back. So just know I'm working on you guys' behalf. And I'm here at my daughter's house watching Mr. Cosmo. That's their sweet, sweet dog. So with that being said, let's go in this kitchen and make something quick and easy. All right, choo-choo. The train is back on the track. Oh yeah. Okay, Royal family, here are the ingredients. I have a 8 ounce of Crescent rolls. Okay, can you see these? It's an 8 count. I have hazelnut chocolate spread, and I have butter. 3 ingredients, right? Okay, let's keep going. So what I did, I took a 9x13 and I melted some butter in it. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. All right, so that is all buttered up. Now what we're about to do is open up the crescent rolls. Hope you guys can see this. Let's pop these open real fast. And you're going to put probably, I'm gonna call this this spoon right here. What you guys say, a teaspoon? Yeah. So get a teaspoon out because you don't want your Nutella just to bust open your croissant. So we're going to put a teaspoon of Nutella in the center of the dough. But let me show you. Let's get this going. Okay, watch this pop. Come on, Aubrey. All righty then. It's a coming. I gotta pull it off. Hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday and everyone is safe and doing well. I know COVID is ramping back up again. I know a lot of people that had it before has it again. A lot of people that were vaccinated has it again. So you guys just please be careful out there, okay? All right, here's the croissant dough right here. You guys see that? What we're going to do, we're going to keep it in the triangles. All right. Let's get this back here. Okay. We're going to work with these 4 first. All right. So now we're going to just take them loose. Wherever you see the ridge, take them loose. Okay? We want to turn them all the same way. All right? So let's see. Some of these croissants sometimes look a little flicked, you know what I mean? They're not croissanting right. All right, let's get this going. So make sure these edges right here are facing. You see that? All right, you're going to take one of these and you're going to pull it in that butter. You see that? That is on the 9x13 pan. Then we're going to take some Nutella. In the center, right here. So let's just spread it a little, okay? All right, you see that? Got gloves on too, you guys. And what we're going to do, we're going to take it and we're just going to wrap it and hold it up so that way you're not smashing your Nutella. Just keep rolling. You see that? And your Nutella is on the inside. And turn it where the seam is facing down. All right, let's do one more and then I'll do the other ones off camera. See? Make sure you put that in the butter. Let's put our Nutella in the biggest part of the croissant, all right? So right here. So remember the fattest part of the croissant, this is where you want your Nutella. And you can get a paper towel and wipe the chocolate off your fingers or the gloves and just start wrapping. But hold it up, okay? Make sure you're holding it up as you're wrapping. Okay, let's go again. Here you go. See? And the seam side down. All right, you guys. I'll come back after I have finished wrapping all of them. Then we'll get them in the oven. All right, you guys. Here are the croissants. We're going to put them in a 350 degrees preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Once you get them out, let them sit for about 5 minutes. 3 ingredients, quick, simple, and you're going to see how delicious they are. Also, remember, start rolling from the thinnest part down, and you're rolling off of your board. So when you roll your croissants, you're going to lift it up and roll. And also stretch your dough out before you fill it. And then that way you'll get a nice, nice even roll. All right, I got a little messy there. I didn't wipe my glove, but you know, it's gonna bake up nice and beautiful anyway. All right, see you guys back in about 25 minutes. Hey, Raw family. Okay, this is the finished product and presentation of the hazelnut crescents. I said croissants, so I would say crescents. You guys, when I tell you, and you know my taste buds is not full 100, but oh my God, it woke my taste buds up. This is so freaking delicious. This would be great as a dessert and serve it with some vanilla ice cream, or it would be great for your kids in the morning for breakfast, or they can just take it on the go. You can make it with bacon, eggs, or just the hazelnut spread. But when I tell you, winner, Crescent dinner, oh my God. All right, I'm gonna take a bite, and I want you guys to see this inside. Now you already see it oozing. See there? That's because you spreaded it out. All right, hang on. Oh my God. And you see, it is all the way through. You have to try this recipe. I promise you. This is a knock out of the park recipe. And it was only 3 ingredients. I just added some strawberries for presentation. But again, you can do vanilla ice cream. Put one on a saucer and do vanilla ice cream. Or you can just eat them plain. But again, thank you guys for watching. Please take care, stay safe. And Mrs. O, hope to see you again soon. All right. Look at that. All that melted chocolate. God bless you guys.